Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The most fortunate Emperor Maharaj Parikṣit, who was entrusted with the kingdom of Hastināpur by Maharaj Yudhishthira when he desired to retire to the forest, is now ruling the world with great success, due to his being glorified by the deeds of the kings of the Kuru dynasty. The prolonged sacrificial ceremonies undertaken by the sages of Naimisharanya were begun shortly after the demise of Maharaj Parikṣit. The sacrifice was to continue for 1,000 years, and it is understood that in the beginning some of the contemporaries of Baldev, the elder brother of Lord Krishna, also visited the sacrificial place. According to some authorities, the present tense is also used to indicate the nearest margin of time from the past. In that sense, the present tense is applied to the reign of Maharaj Parikṣit here. For a continuous fact, also, present tense can be used. The principles of Maharaj Parikṣit can be still continued, and human society can still be improved if there is determination by the authorities. We can still purge out from the state all the activities of immorality introduced by the personality of Kali if we are determined to take action like Maharaj Parikṣit. He allotted some place for Kali, but in fact, Kali could not find such places in the world at all, because Maharaj Parikṣit was strictly vigilant to see that there were no places for gambling, drinking, prostitution and animal slaughter. Modern administrators want to banish corruption from the state, but fools as they are, they do not know how to do it. They want to issue licenses for gambling houses, wine and other intoxicating drug houses, brothels, hotel prostitution and cinema houses, and falsity in every dealing, even in their own, and they want at the same time to drive out corruption from the state. They want the kingdom of God without God consciousness. How can it be possible to adjust two contradictory matters? If we want to drive out corruption from the state, we must first of all organize society to accept the principles of religion, namely austerity, cleanliness, mercy, and truthfulness, and to make the condition favorable, we must close all places of gambling, drinking, prostitution, and falsity. These are some of the practical lessons from the pages of Srimad Bhagwatam.